Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant, Toddler, Youth, and the Pump Station and Nursery. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the Britax B Safe 35 base and how to do a latch installation. Now remember, before you do your installation, be sure to read the manual of your car seat so you know exactly how it works and what you may need to do to fit it in your specific vehicle. One installation is not the same in every vehicle. All right? Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your car is parked on a flat surface, because one of the things we're going to be doing is making sure the car seat is at the proper recline, and you cannot get an accurate reading unless you're parked on a flat surface. Now, with the Britax B Safe 35, there are two rules we have to follow. The first rule is the leveling device, making sure child's at the right position. If you see on both sides of the car seat, there is a red bar and two silver arrows. What the Britax manual says is that you have to make sure that when you're done tightening the installation, the red bar has to be between the two silver arrows. Right now, our red bar is crossing, so we know we need to already adjust it because we haven't even tightened it yet. When you're ready to adjust the recline, you're going to squeeze the red button on the front of the base, and that'll allow you to change the different recline options. In my car, the vehicle seat is pretty deep, so I'm going to put it at the most reclined. Now that my angle is at the most reclined, I'm going to set it down on the vehicle seat. And to see where the bar will end up, you can actually put weight on the top of the base. And right now, it looks like the red bar is in between the two silver arrows. So right now, we're looking like the angle is correct. But as we secure the car seat, we'll of course keep an eye on it. The next thing we have to do is secure the car seat to the vehicle using the latch system, and of course, making sure it's secure enough. Once we attach both sides and tighten it, the way you're going to check it is with one hand. You're going to grab it from either side of the base, and if the car seat moves more than an inch, it's too loose. We want to secure it enough where the car seat doesn't slide more than an inch. So there will still be some movement, especially on the back. It'll still be able to go up and down and side to side. That's where crash force is released from. The only thing you should be checking is an inch of movement from the belt path. Now, before we get to that point, we need to first attach the latch connectors to our vehicle. The latch connectors are stored on both sides of the base. You see the red button sticking out. In order to get these out, we have to loosen up the straps. On the top of the base, there's a red button. If you push and hold the button down, it will allow you to loosen up both sides of the latch connectors. Okay. Once we have the straps as loose as possible, we can go ahead and connect it to the vehicle. We need to make sure that the strap is not twisted or tangled or upside down. Everything needs to be flat and free and right side up. You're going to find the latches in your vehicle. In my car, there's these little gray buttons with a picture of a car seat. And right below the button are openings in the fabric. And inside the opening is our metal latch bar. So we're going to line up the connector with the latch bar. You're going to push it in and you're going to hear a clicking sound. There's one. There's two. So both sides are not twisted or tangled and they're right side up. Once you have both sides connected, we're going to make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. And the way we're going to tighten our connectors is with the straps right on the center of the base. So there's one strap for each side of the car seat. You're going to push down on the car seat and you're going to pull on the strap. We're going to do these one at a time. And we just need to tighten it enough where it's not sliding more than an inch in either direction. So now that our two rules are being accomplished, the car seat is secure and the angle's in the right position, we know that the base is installed properly. When you're ready to remove the base from your vehicle, you're going to find the red buttons that are sticking out of your vehicle seat. You're going to push them. And there we go. They are now released and you can remove your base. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.